You want to film it?
Okay.
Yeah. Fuck this up.
Look at that's cool. Yeah, he's like,
I know it by heart, the last step, you know, I just don't look.
So, what's the 0101? What does that tell you?
What?
What's this 0101? That's where the timer starts?
No, I'm used to another program, you know. You have to click space to stop the timer.
To start on top.
And one more click to get another scramble.
Okay, yeah.
You know, and this one is just one. And
okay.
I pushed it twice.
Okay.
Yeah, no, that wasn't. I didn't like.
It's 17 seconds.
The last 10 moves, he wasn't even looking at it. He was just looking at the timer. He's like,
that was great.
He put it down, he didn't even look at it.
Fuck it.
That's good enough for me, though.